Raising kids these days is a big challenge. The kind of issues that we face are different from what parenting was about 10 years back.
Nowadays, parents doesn't have much time to interact with children.
Normally in India, the kind of culture we have, the kind of society we have, there's no as such organization which is working on this grounds. And these days, the nuclear families are facing a lot of problems in this area. Earlier, it was like joint families, information was being transferred from elders to younger, and people were already getting inputs from the family still. But the scientific way of resolving an issue of parenting and understanding the child's psychology and the basic problems they are facing, and for small help we need to, like in our case, we jump to the doctors every second day.
There are perhaps no relevant support mechanism for urban parents who are constantly fighting against never heard before or never seen before hurdles. When we grew up, our parents didn't face some of these hurdles, but those hurdles are pretty much everyday life's reality now for these parents. That was the spark to start parenting. Now, when we started this pro-parent community, it was very important that we started with a clear focus. So there were three areas which we were sort of fixed on right from the beginning. One was that at any point in time, parents don't want generalized solution. Parents would like to know what is relevant to their unique disposition rather than having a generalized solution. So that was the first key pointer for us. And to achieve this, we sorted all the content and solutions on ParentTune basis the life stage of a parent, which was right from pre-pregnancy to pregnancy to infant, toddler, to early years, to preteens, teens and adolescents.
Each child is different, each problem is different, each problem is unique, and that's how we need to treat it.
Second was that one is having a specific solution, but is it coming from a trusted resource? Is it coming from someone I know? And parents perhaps always are doubtful and skeptic, and rightly so, because they can't just test with their children. After all, it's their child. So they want to know what is validated and coming from a trusted source.
Generally, we have so many doubts, but we don't have any grounds and basis on which we can be making our decisions.
And that is where we took two important calls, I think, in hindsight. One was that each parent on ParentTune would be verified and validated. And today we have 10,000 plus verified and validated parents on ParentTune, apart from 1.5 lakh parents who keep coming on the site regularly every month. And then we said that another validated source of information for parents are experts, and hence the expert panel on ParentTune. So that took care of validated solutions for parents. And the third thing, I think, which is very important to our philosophy, is that parents don't want judgments on them. It's very easy for someone else from a distance to make a judgment on what parent is doing right, what they are not doing right. And I don't think so that's being fair to the parents. I think that's very important to realize if you see what ParentTune has actually managed in a short time.